In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple automated to-do list on Monday.com. This tool is incredibly versatile and can really streamline the way you manage your tasks and projects. We're going to keep things straightforward and efficient, making sure you have a functional system in place by the end of this tutorial. Let's start off by creating a new blank board. I've already set one up here to give you an idea of what we'll be working towards. On this board, you'll notice there are two groups, one for unfinished tasks and another for finished ones. These groups serve as the core components of our to-do list, allowing us to visually track our progress as tasks move from start to completion. Adding a status column is a crucial next step. This will help us communicate whether a task is done or not. You can add a new column by clicking on the plus icon next to the existing columns. From there, just search for the type of column you need. However, to keep our setup simple and focused, I'm only going to add this status column. Now, let's bring some automation magic to our board. We want tasks to automatically move to the finished group when they are marked complete. This is where Monday.com's automation feature comes into play. Head over to the top right corner and click on the Automate button. You'll see various automation recipes, but for our needs, select Create from Scratch. First, we need to define our trigger. Set it to Status Changes to Something. This tells the system to track the status column we've just added. Now, let's specify the action. We want to move item to group when a task's status changes. Click on the underlined status to choose the specific status column from our board. Then click on Something and select Done as the status we're targeting. Next, click on Group to choose the group the item will move to, which in our case is the finished group. Once you've set all these parameters, simply click on Create Automation. This automation ensures that any time a task is marked as done, it smoothly transitions to the finished group without any manual input from you. Now it's time to test if everything is working as expected. Try marking a task as done and watch as it automatically moves to the finished group. And there it is. Your simple yet powerful automated to-do list is ready to go. That's all for setting up a basic automated task list on Monday.com. I hope this guide helps you stay organized, save time, and keep track of all your tasks effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.